Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So before I even start, I just want to say thank you guys for all the new subscribers. 9 subscribers, that's very nice. Hopefully we get 100 before 2026. Would mean a lot, you know. So that said, for today's week, I'll be posting. So you guys know I usually post at 5 p.m. I'll be posting at dinner time, so 12, every single day till Friday. Friday I probably won't trade. I won't trade because we have prelim and the specific news fakes me out a lot, so I'll just be trading till Thursday. So yeah, I'll see if I get more engagement or less by posting at 12. I'll try this week. If not, I'll try maybe something else. We'll see, right? Because as of right now, we have around 100, but I'm only averaging like 20, so I know my content is not wow, it's only recaps, but still, you know? So yeah, I'll try that. What else? Today, beautiful day, beautiful execution, stop loss, take profit, everything. But I broke one of my rules, which is I have to close at a 1 to 2, right? Well, it's not a big deal, right? It's not even a problem. It's just we only managed to make around $3,000 today, which is very good on my pros account too. But since I didn't meet the buffer yet on take profit, this is all trailing. So I was up 2k, so my trailing drawdown moved up 2k, and since I closed at 600, I only have here 600, right? So like I said, I made a mistake. I should have been more careful, and I would do better, right? I seen price move a lot fast. I seen price move fast to the downside, so I was like, all right, I'll aim to Asia highs, but then it retraced all the way up, so I closed for only a 600. So yeah, let me show you guys. Today we had no news, as you guys seen. So yeah, if I had my buffer and everything, it's not a big deal, right? But since it's still following me, we'll see what happens, right? Right now, I remember I went and checked. I only have $3,000 before I blow the accounts, for example. So I'm still confident that I shouldn't be losing 3 days in a row. But for example, let's say tomorrow I'm up. I don't know if it works like that, but for example, let's say I'm up 1k tomorrow and then it goes against me. I think the drawdown will follow me, so we'll see how it goes. Worst case scenario, I have to restart. I'll probably get the 25Ks because they're so easy to pass and to get the buffer met, and it's still 3 to 5k daily, you know. But we should be alright. Everything should work out fine on those 150Ks, and I should start printing by next week probably, but we'll see. Alright, so we had London high, previous day high, Asia high. What else can I see? We have this 1 hour fair value gap. Perfect. What else can I see? We are disrespecting bearish, and we have this gap. Perfect. So as of right now, I'm looking for longs. I am bullish. On the 15-minute, anything else that I can see? We have those gap, but this is the main one on the 1 hour, so we'll leave this. I can see this sell side right there, so let's mark it up. Go on the 5-minute. So the sell side is actually equal lows. Perfect. Let's go back to replay. So yeah, and if you guys have any suggestion on what time should I post, just let me know in the comments. Alright, coming into market. So market open right there, 9:30. This is previous day high. So we're above previous day high, but then it got disrespected. Perfect. and it displays lower. So now I'm looking for shorts. Yes, my initial bias was bullish, but until we hit this fair value gap, I'm looking for shorts. Right there, we made a 1 minute fair value gap, and this is exactly where I entered at 9:34. Now, where should my stop loss be? Above these, right there. So not only above previous day high, but at this week, right there. I was risking 100 ticks for 200, so I was risking 25. Yeah, right there. 25 for 50. Let's put it correctly. So that was exactly my TP. Does it make sense? Perfect. Price should go all the way down to fill these fair value gaps and sweep this sell side, right? Beautiful. So yeah, 9:34 my entry, stop loss above here, everything makes sense, perfect, let's go. So now I'm still waiting. Price is retracing to my fair value gap, it goes a little bit above, then goes right back down. Do I close my position? No. I just stay patient and watch, right? And this is why it's important to have the stop loss correctly. Not here, here. At this wick right there. Want to make it better, just make it even, 25. Alright, anyway. Then 9:39, it pushes down all the way down. So from there I'm like, alright, price is pushing down. I'm still waiting. Then price pushes all the way down, but before it pushes all the way down, right there, at 9:39, I was like, alright, if anything, price is gonna go all the way down to Asia high. So this line that I marked. Like I said, next time I'll just be careful. Initially, I didn't mark this fair value gap too, so this fair value gap wasn't marked initially. But yeah, after the fact, when I seen price retrace, I was like, oh, okay, we actually had a hourly fair value gap. So I actually didn't notice this at first. But anyway, so yeah, my actual stop loss, my actual take profit was at the Asia high exactly. Now from there, fast forward, I was like, all right, I mean, for a little bit of points, it's just gonna come and hit it, right? Remember, I didn't have this. Let me remove this. And the sell side technically got swept, but it went through it, right? So I was like, pretty sure we're gonna go down. From there, this is exactly what I did. We created a 1 minute fair value gap. So now, where is my stop loss? My stop loss is exactly right there. Right there. So if we remove this, well, there's no point of removing it. Anyway, so now I was risk free, and we have a 1 minute fair value gap. So my stop loss is in profit now for 600, as you guys seen, right there. Because technically this fair value gap should hold, right? And if it wants to retrace a little bit deeper, here's my stop loss. Fast forward, I get stopped out, so I get plus 600 on each account, and that's it. The day is over, you know? After that, price just start chopping around. So I guess I got saved in a way. Now, one thing that I need to be careful, hourly. We had this hourly fair value gap. What did price do? Came exactly to this hourly and went out of it, right? So we swept this fair value gap and then went out. Now, technically, if I wasn't in a way greedy, but it's not even greed. It made sense in my head. Remember, I didn't have this fair value gap marked out, and I got stopped out. Stopped out in profit, of course. But yeah, anyway, that was the recap for today. What did I learn? Be more careful on the higher time frame for sure. Second thing, stop loss, take profit. Always they need to be correctly placed, right? If I placed it somewhere else, I could have been stopped out. My take profit, I'm supposed to take profit near the sell side. My 1 to 2 was. I got distracted, for example, and it costed me the trade. Now, like I said, if I had my buffer, it doesn't matter, right? But since my trailing is following me, it is fucking me in a way, right? But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully, I mean, it's still a win today, right? Just hopefully we don't have a losing day while my trade is in profit and then it goes against me. Those are very bad for me right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.